very excited about what holographic computing and HoloLens represent for the Windows ecosystem, what it means for us as partners. In fact, this morning I want to show you how holographic computing and HoloLens can fundamentally change one of the core applications that is run on the desktop, Maya from AutoDesk, which is a 3D app or 3D modeling app. It will fundamentally change how people think of what is possible with computing. And to show you that, let me introduce Lorraine from our HoloLens team. Lorraine?
Thank you, Satya. Together with partners, we can redefine how people work using existing software and tools in combination with Microsoft HoloLens. Specifically today, we'll take a look at using HoloLens with AutoDesk Maya to rethink how we design in 3D. Maya's 3D modeling and rendering software offers a comprehensive creative toolkit. And with HoloLens, Autodesk can extend their existing software to provide new value to their customers. First, you'll see that we're using a special camera today. With this camera, we create a display technique that's like putting a HoloLens right on the camera itself, so that the entire audience can see what my colleague Dan is seeing.
Thank you, Lorraine. Using HoloLens, we have shown that it can revolutionize the way people work, play, communicate, learn, and create. Today, I want to show you another example of how holograms can change the way you work and create. Creating 3D scenes using 2D tools require a lot of training and practice. Sometimes, to test the design, I create physical 3D prints of the model to make it easier to understand its relation to the real world. But 3D prints are time-consuming and expensive to do frequently. Today I'm going to be using Maya by Autodesk, and I will show you how HoloLens doesn't need to replace the workflow I have mastered, which would be very costly, but instead can extend my existing tools and add spatial understanding to help me visualize my work better and improve my productivity. So let me put on my HoloLens and show you what I'm working on. So right here in Maya, I have my motorcycle that I've been working on. And to the right, I have a holographic representation of the bike. And everything you see, the stage, the motorcycle, and the toolbar, can all be seen on my HoloLens. And everything I do in Maya instantaneously updates on the hologram.
In addition to that, Dan can go beyond his monitor. He can manipulate the model directly, which will make real-time updates in Maya. To do that's really simple. Dan just takes his mouse, he drags the cursor off the screen onto the hologram.
So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate the bike so you can see it from all sides. I can also scale it. I'm going to make it small and real big so I can see all of the details. I can also move it and place it wherever I want on my desktop. And if I had a 3D print, I could put them side by side and compare them.
Dan is still doing all of this work in Maya. He's leveraging his experience as an industrial designer. Now, one of the great things about HoloLens is that you can still see the real world and all of the objects in it. And you can overlay them with precise holograms.
So let me show you what we mean. Real life mode. So what this allows us to do is make changes directly on the motorcycle and see them in real time. Load orange. All right, that looks pretty nice. I think I like the blue one a little bit better. Load blue. Another thing I can do is add interaction points directly on the motorcycle and make changes to it. So let me update this mirror real fast. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's bring it back just a little bit. Alright, that's nice.
You can see how Dan can lean over the bike, exactly where the rider's head would be, so that he can evaluate if those mirrors are in the right position for the rider. Now, this is something you just couldn't do with a 2D display. So we've talked a lot about how modeling 3D in 3D delivers faster iteration. Let's take a look at how HoloLens can improve collaboration. The mechanical engineering team for this project is located in Barcelona, which is a significant time difference away. But the ability to effectively communicate across time zones is critical to the success of this project.
All right, let's see if the Barcelona team has left us any notes. Show comments. One of the things that HoloLens can do is it knows exactly where you're standing and when you're looking when you leave a note. So you'll see that when I play Carlos's note.
Hey guys, we updated the wiring plan. Can we move the turn signal stalks from down here to up here?
This kind of additional context, seeing exactly what Carlos was looking at, adds further meaning to any note or communication that you leave behind. And clear communication improves collaboration, which leads to faster results and much higher confidence decision making. As you can imagine, we are incredibly excited to help partners extend their existing tools with HoloLens. This was just a glimpse at how designing in 3D is changing. We cannot wait to see what all of you do. Now back to you, Satya.